Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, with your product picks for campaign 26 of 2020. And this campaign, we have just a few new things. Not a lot of new holiday, just because we kind of put all of our holiday into like campaign 23 and 24, so that everybody would know what we had for holiday, and you could make, plan out your holiday purchases early on and know everything that was going to be available and what all your options are. But we do have a couple of new things to add in that actually could make great holiday gifts. The first one is our Moisture Miracle and Aqua Miracle sets from Belif. So Belif is very big on doing, kind of bundle deals and gift sets and things like that. And I think it's really kind of cool because you could actually, since this gift set includes your full size Aqua Bomb or Moisturizing Bomb cream, and the set is the same price as the full size cream. You're basically getting your Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser in a try it size or a travel size. And really, honestly, this cleanser, so little goes such a long way. This actually is probably several months supply of the cleanser. And the same with the Moisturizing Eye Bomb. It's a very, very tiny little jar, but because it's just for the eye area, it lasts a really long time. So you could almost always just, if you always get one of these gift sets when you get your full-size Moisturizing Bomb or Aqua Bomb, you can almost always, it looks like we're always going to have a gift set available that you can get your cleanser and your eye balm for free. So that's really cool. So that is the Moisture Miracle or the Aqua Miracle gift sets from Belif. Let's see, then we have a couple of new things in the book that I just wanted to point out that I don't necessarily have actual preview products for. One, of course, is the A box, which we usually don't have a preview product for. But this is our A box for this campaign, which of course is $10 with any $40 purchase from the campaign. And it's the Face the Day. So you have your kind of New Year's makeup ready to go. You've got your Glimmershadow liquid eyeshadow in Dazzling Diamond. You have your full-size True Color lipstick in Candy Red. So a great classic red. You have a travel size or a try it size each of our Dr. Belmeur Recovery Cream, which is really great for sensitive skin, really kind of soothes and moisturizes the skin. It has that Cica in it, which is the also called tiger grass, and it's got sort of healing properties to it. They discovered it when tigers go out and roll around in this grass to heal up any wounds that they may have. So they kind of discovered kind of the recovery aspects of that particular ingredient. And then our vitamin C, let's see, is this the serum? Yes, this is the vitamin C brightening serum, which is another great product to help, brighten up and even the skin tone. Then, let's see, we have, all right. Oh, yes, our Studio 1886 fragrance collection. We have added the shower gel and body lotion, both for the Gilded and the XXL scents. So not all three of the Studio 1888 scents, but the Gilded and the XXL, we now have the body lotion and the shower gel with, so you can layer your fragrance. So I was very excited to see those, because when you layer your fragrance, it will last longer, and you'll have a kind of a truer scent throughout the day. We also added the travel size of the new artisan layered artisan scents, our gender neutral scents, the Santal Musk and Cherry Vetiver. So we now have those in a travel size as well, which I know a lot of people that really buy the travel size. They like being able to carry their scent with them in case they want to do a refresh throughout the day. They do like, if they're going to travel, that it is a size that, packs well. And some folks like to have a wide wardrobe of scents. They like to have a lot of fragrances, and the travel size of spray of the fragrance is a great way to have multiple different scents without breaking the bank. So you can have a lot of different scents to choose from each day without necessarily having to buy the full-size bottles of each. And then we do have a brand new fragrance this campaign that, I always say we kind of go we go through cycles. We go through cycles where there's maybe, 3 or 4 scents that we introduce that I'm not too terribly excited about. And then we'll have 2 or 3 scents in a row that I just absolutely love. And we're in that part of the cycle right now. So, I really, really loved the Cherry Vetiver in the Layered Artisan. I love the Apple Glacé in the Senses. And now I am really loving the Layered Bouquet de Freesia, which I really love. I love freesia is one of my favorite flower scents. So this has got freesia and violet. Let me double check. Let's see. Yeah, sweet freesia, tulip, not violet, and warm amber. I knew violet wasn't right. So sweet freesia, tulip, and warm amber. So it is a nice floral. It's a little bit stronger than some of our more recent scents. We've had a lot of really kind of softer scents. But yeah, I would say it's probably on par with like the Layered Artisan. It's a good strong scent that's going to last you throughout the day, but it's not overpowering. So it's got it's a little heavier scent than some of like the fresh, clean scents or the sweeter scents. So if you like a good, beautiful floral scent, the Bouquet de Freesia is definitely going to be one you'll want to check out. And let's see, what else did I have in here? Oh, and I had one more thing that is not in the brochure, but is newly available on the online store, or if you're one of the customers that I see face to face, I can order this for you. And it's another addition to our Cucina collection for the kitchen. In this case, it is the pods for your dishwasher. So it's your dishwasher detergent. And it's a more natural alternative to some of the cleaning agents that you might be using in your home now. This is a more natural alternative. It has a really nice, pleasant citrus scent. They come in a little packet. It's a little like a powder tablet, but the packet is water soluble. So you put the whole thing in the dispenser in your dishwasher. And let's see all of the other, I want to make sure I don't forget any of the cool stuff about these. Oh, it is all in one. So you get your detergent and your rinse agent in one, which is great because it means your glasses are going to come out better if you're not already using a rinse agent, or you won't have that extra step of using a rinse agent. It is, like I said, a fresh citrus scent. It's very light. It's not like you can smell it throughout the house when you use it or anything like that. It is a convenient little tablet. Let's see what else. All-in-one formula rinse aid to help remove water stains. No measuring needed, fresh citrus scent, and it's formulated with plant-derived ingredients. So again, it is that more natural ingredient. And it's also formulated without phosphate and 6 other toxic ingredients, none of which I can pronounce. Left out some of those things that you might be wanting to avoid, and just using kind of those natural ingredients that people have been using to clean their homes for forever. I mean, really. So really, really great addition to that Cucina line. I was very happy to see that addition to the collection. So that is actually everything I have for you for this campaign. Just to remind you, if you are shopping for the holidays, a lot of our holiday products are limited edition. So be sure to shop early for the best selection and best availability. Make sure you get your stocking stuffers. Our hand creams and lip balms, our little holiday designed mini hand creams and our holiday designed lip balms are absolutely wonderful for stocking stuffers, teacher gifts. If you want to give a little something in appreciation for your mailman or your, UPS or FedEx delivery guy, the gardener, they're, great little things to give. They really are kind of one size fits all because everybody gets chapped lips and everybody gets dry hands. So it's something that everybody can use. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.